Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crème brûlée easy. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, egg yolks, granulated sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract. You'll also need a shallow baking dish, like ramekins, and a kitchen torch for that perfect caramelized top. Preparing a water bath, also known as a bain-marie, is crucial for gently baking the custard, preventing it from curdling and ensuring a silky smooth texture. This simple step makes all the difference. Now, let's create the rich custard base. Begin by gently warming your heavy cream with vanilla in a saucepan over medium heat. Do not let it boil. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale yellow and slightly thickened. This aeration is key for a light custard. Slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. This prevents them from scrambling and ensures a smooth, uniform custard. With your custard ready, carefully pour it into individual ramekins. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish, then fill the larger dish with hot water, creating your water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Once baked, remove the ramekins from the water bath and let them cool completely. Then, chill them in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, for optimal texture. The final, most satisfying step is creating that iconic crackly sugar crust. Just before serving, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over the chilled custard. Use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar, moving the flame constantly until it melts and turns a beautiful amber color. Be careful not to burn it. This creates a delightful contrast of textures. For more great tips and deals, including how to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. Enjoy your perfectly easy homemade crème brûlée.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.